Hey guys, Ben here and welcome back again to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. And long story short, I hit on the restock and basically I don't have much interest on this pair. When I saw them online, they're a little too busy, and yeah, I just said maybe I should just try them on and see what happens. But actually this pair is the definition of it will grow on you. The more I look on these sneakers, the more I like them. Now let's talk about lace swapping. But is it only me that this one doesn't have an extra pair, or do you guys have an extra pair of laces? Because I'm so used of having SBs, those extra laces always inside the box. Yeah, but that's what happens to me. And to be honest, the dull gold default laces, they're not really bad. I mean, they really match nicely, especially on the linings or the outlinings of the uppers, for example on the swoosh, and here also on the eye stays and so forth. They blend pretty nicely, and of course, since this is a lavender color, gold is complementary color of lavender, so that's the reason why they put dull gold on this pair. But actually my favorite lace swap of them all, and I prepared also 4 lace swaps for you guys so that you have a reference or have an idea on what type of laces you're going to use on this pair. But let me show you my favorite swap. As I have mentioned, it's the white laces. To me, it's just, the summer vibe of the white laces really makes the shoe outstanding, and also makes it so clean that it's just perfect to pair with, short pants. And what I have wore on this video is this brown pants, which I really like how it turned out. So if you have white SB laces, try them on, and you can tell that they will blend pretty nicely. And I'm also biased on the white and gold combo, so that's the reason why this is my favorite. Alright, just a little bit of trivia for those who don't know yet about the story and the inspiration behind the pastoral prints. So basically the uppers of this pair act like a onion skin that if you peel them off, it would reveal a nice suede leather. So it's one more thing. Plus the prints that you find or found on the uppers also, inspired by the countryside of Paris. So it's a lot of stories going on this pair, and that would, in my opinion, add a little bit of value later on. And yeah, let's proceed to the next lace swap. And if you're a fan of rope laces, on this next swap I used the white rope laces. Basically the effect is just the same on the white SB laces that I have put here. It's just that now it's rope laces, obviously. And by the way, the same pants that I wore here, and I think the combination of brown and also the lavender sneakers is just perfection. I really dig them. Now let's jump to the other swap that I made. I know you guys will complain this is overly done or everybody's been doing it. It's the cream laces. And please, I will make an exception for this one, because I think this one also one of my favorites on this swap. It's because it fits perfectly to the outsoles and the midsoles, because as you can see here, these are cream color, and of course the patterns as well on the uppers are cream in colors. So yeah, why not use cream laces? And by the way, cream laces is still on the yellow color palette. So if you will search on the internet about the complement color of lavender or light purple, yellow is the first thing that you can see, so that's why I said cream laces works well with this, especially if you have SB cream laces. That will be perfect. I'm just showing you here the flat ones because I don't have the SB laces, but you know, the point is to give you an idea how they look on the sneakers. Now, before I will give you the last swap that I made on this pair, let's just take a look on the comparison of the dial gold and the white. And as you can see here, I'm showing you the top view of the two sneakers. What do you think? Which one are you digging? Please let me know. And it's on the sides. I mean, just to give you an idea how they look like. Okay, so for the last swap, basically this one doesn't have any inspiration on the pair. It's just, you know, random thought. I said, why not use the blue rope laces from the Big Money Savings, because it was just lying around, and actually it's not really bad, but it's my least favorite, to be honest. And the reason why I'm doing this is just to, you know, give you guys some more ideas or more, let's say, options. Who knows, you will dig the blue rope laces, but I'm quite sure that you will not like it. It's just, you know, rubbish. But anyway, let's talk about the build and the quality first. Since we all have done already the lace swaps, I could say this is pretty normal for any SB sneakers. The quality is top notch, and in my pair I don't have any complaints. This is well done. Apart from the as you can see on the toe box, it's a little bit crooked. It's not super 100% symmetrical, but I can live with that. And also for the sizing, which is important for the people here who are new, I have a narrow average feet, so I'm wearing true to size on my SBs. But if you have a big, massive, wide feet, I would suggest to go a half size up, if you will, because SBs tends to have thicker paddings. Okay, I think that's it for now. If you have questions or comments, please let me know on the comment section. Also, if you have a favorite laces, just let me know. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed watching this, and see you next time.